What's going on, guys? Francis Oboganyi here today, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money online without spending any money at all. Okay, how to make money with $0. If you're new here, my name is Francis. I mostly make entrepreneurship videos, make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences with you guys right here on this channel. So I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, tick that bell notification icon. That way you get notified when I put out new videos. Like, I'm currently putting out videos every single day. So if you don't want to miss out on my content, make sure your notification bell is turned on. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video of today. Now, I uploaded this video yesterday, and somebody was asking me that is it actually true that you can actually make money online without initial investment? Okay, and in that video towards the end I actually switched up, and because I was mentioning things about you getting a job to help fuel your online business, but towards the end I now switch it up and said stuff about how you can do this for free, okay, if you have the time. So maybe some people didn't actually watch the video to the end, so you can go ahead. I'm going to be leaving a card above right here, or a link in the description for you to check this video out, okay, on how to make money as a broke beginner. So in today's video, which we're going to be talking about how to make money online, okay, without spending any money at all or any initial investment. Now, the first thing you're going to be doing, or the first thing I recommend you do in terms of making money online, is you have to admit to the fact that you have time to get this done, okay? You are willing to put in the work and you have time to do this, and it's not super hard. It's something everybody can do if they really want to do it, okay? It's not as if it's so hard. Now, what you're going to be doing is create a YouTube channel. YouTube is actually free. You're going to be using free, everything that has to do with free, you know, to make money online. It is you're just going to be putting in the work, okay? But the first thing you're going to be doing upfront is going to be free. You're not going to be spending any money at all. Now, you're going to be creating a YouTube channel around a particular topic you're interested in talking about. Now, the topic you like talking about may be football, maybe let's say housing, real estate. You may like talking about nutrition, whatever it is you like talking about every single day. It's something that you have passion about. Even if they're not going to be paying you money for it, you're still going to be talking about it anyway. So that is what you're going to be starting with, because if you're starting with a niche that is actually very, very profitable, you might get burned out, or when you're not making any money, you might just quit and stop doing it because you're actually not seeing any dividends from it. So you might actually just stop doing it, by the way. But if you're talking about a topic which you're interested in, you will keep pushing and keep doing it even when you're not seeing making any money at all, until you start seeing these changes, okay? Now, in creating a YouTube channel, YouTube is actually free, okay? And before YouTube can monetize you in the YouTube Partner Program, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Like me, I haven't gotten 4,000 watch hours yet, but I am actually making money here and there from my YouTube channel using affiliate marketing, okay? That is what I am actually using on my YouTube channel, and that's what I am recommending you're going to be using on your YouTube channel as well, to make money online for free without any initial investment. Now, you're creating a YouTube channel that is actually free, then you make sure you install some Chrome extension that's going to be helping you rank videos, okay? Which I recommend Keyword Everywhere. Let's just go ahead and check out Keyword Everywhere, okay? Let's check this out. Now, here's how Keyword Everywhere looks like. It's actually a free Chrome extension, okay? It's actually a free Chrome extension which you can install for Chrome or install for Firefox. And you know what this helps you do is whenever you come to Google, okay, you're typing out a particular topic. Let's say you're typing out nutrition. So let's say you come to Google and you type out a topic you're interested in. Let's say it's nutrition, and once you type it in, as long as you install your Chrome extension that for Keyword Everywhere, as well as connect with your API key and all that, once you type in the topic you're interested in, it's going to be giving you analytics or statistics on the topics you're searching for, okay? And also it's going to be giving you related keywords and the volume those keywords get every single month and all that. So you can create YouTube videos around topics such as this one, okay? You can create YouTube videos such as also you can come to the related search terms, okay, the related what people are actually searching for every single month, you can come right here and create topics on your YouTube channel around it, okay, because this is what people are already searching for. People want information on this topic, so you're creating content around it, which you can actually use some of this in your tags, okay, in your tags to rank your videos. So it doesn't matter if you're getting, like, some people is going to be saying that you need thousands and thousands of views and thousands of subscribers before you start making money online. That is not actually true. Yes, you can actually, when you have a lot of views and a lot of subscribers, you make more money, or you make a lot of money actually. But even with small subscribers, because based on experience I can tell you that with small subscribers and small little views, you can actually make money, because you're doing a topic around what people have interest in, and also maybe you're trying to solve people's problem, you know, and you're promoting affiliate product while doing that. Now you can get started immediately. You don't have to waste any time, because you can start talking about the niche you have interest in and solving people's problem, then recommending them to a product. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. You get somebody else's product or services and recommend people to those products and services, and when they make purchases, or when they sign up for when they sign up for the product you refer them to, you get a commission or you get a cut. That's how to get this done. And even with under 100 views, okay, per videos, you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. That's the fun part. You don't have to be a super huge channel before you can do this, okay. Now, after creating your YouTube channel around these topics, okay, you've installed your Chrome extension, you're ready to get going, making videos and all that. Now, where you're going to be getting affiliate marketing products to promote online, I usually used to recommend Offer Vault. Okay, come to Offer Vault, because there are tons of affiliate product right here. Like I came right here. These are on Offer Vault. When you come to Offer Vault, when you come to the trending searches, you're going to be seeing what people are actually searching for every single time. Now, whichever niche you think you are, I think you can actually find a product to promote on Offer Vault. Trust me. Just come think of it. Whatever niche you think you are in, just come to Offer Vault, type in your topic right here. Like right here, I just type in weight loss. Just type in your topic, and you're definitely going to be seeing the product around your niche. So you can actually sign up for the affiliate networks. You can see there are multiple affiliate networks right here that are actually promoting, that you can actually join to promote this product. Okay, since if you can't easily get individuals to help promote your to sign up with, you know, as an affiliate to sell their product, you can actually come here and join affiliate networks, you know, that's going to be connecting you with product or product owners to help promote product and make commissions from. Now let's look at this. You can see this right here. When you make a sale for this product right here, it's actually listed on Max Bounty. Okay, if you don't know what Max Bounty is actually an affiliate network, okay, for marketing, where you can actually sign up as an affiliate marketer or as an advertiser. If you're a publisher or an advertiser, you can sign up on Max Bounty and promote your product, or you can sign up to promote other people's products on Max Bounty. Now, the caveat to this in terms of sign up with Max Bounty is that you have to have a little bit of experience, and you might get rejected if you don't know what you're doing. So you have to get creative in terms of telling them you're good or you're ready to get going in terms of promoting products online. So I'll click on the offer. Let's say I'll click on this offer right here. It was this offer I hit. Okay, I'll click on this offer, which is going to bring us right here, which you can see the offer category, which is Nutrisystem, $50 off 2 weeks. Okay, category is diet, weight loss, freebie. They are giving a freebie for diet and weight loss. The sale is $170 per sale. Okay, and also you can see some details about it. You can actually click here to see the landing page, how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay, now this is a good product that I think you can promote online, because it's on Max Bounty, and as well as I like the way it looks. You can do your research though. Do your research on every single topic you want to promote, or every single thing you want to promote online. Now, once you're making videos on YouTube, once you start creating videos on YouTube, you know, you are going to be embedding your affiliate link. You're going to be putting your affiliate link in the description of your videos. Okay, it's going to be there, which in your videos you're going to be telling people to click the link in your description. That is how to get this done, guys. You literally don't have to be showing your face. you can actually do screen recording just like I'm doing right now, or you can get somebody else to do the videos for you if you want. Or but better still, if you can, just make the videos yourself because you want to do this for free. So better still, you can do this yourself, okay, and get started today. Now let's do a little bit of a recap right here. Now the first thing I talked about is, in terms of doing this for free, is to create a YouTube channel around the niche you have interest in, then install Keyword Everywhere tool as your Chrome extension, okay. As well as, I forgot to mention this, you're going to be installing vidIQ. vidIQ will help you see what other people are putting in their tags, okay, so you can actually rank videos with vidIQ, okay, so you can copy other people's tags and put in your own video tags as well to rank for videos online. So when you do that, after getting your channel up, creating content around the topics you have interest in, using Keyword Everywhere on Google as well, seeing what people are actually searching for monthly, then you create your topic around you create your videos around these topics, then look for affiliate product. Or first things first, you can come and look for the affiliate product you want to promote, sign up for the network, then get your affiliate link, and start putting them on your videos, okay. Now some affiliate networks actually don't allow you to run traffic directly to offers, like Max Bounty don't actually require you run traffic directly to the offers. Maybe set up a page online where you can drive the traffic to them, bounce them off to Max Bounty, right? So that's literally how to get this done, guys. All you need to do is to take massive action, and you can really make money online for free if you can implement this strategy very well, and just create a YouTube channel and promote other people's product, okay. And make sure, and as long as they keep searching for it, or let's say you make a video and you get about 100 views in a month from that video, and every single video gets to, maybe you can make a sale from every single video, you can be making money just doing that. So that'll be all for now, guys. For my announcement, if you'd like to join my team and work one-on-one with me, where I get to give you guidance and coaching on how to do this in a more in-depth way, click the first link in the description to get access to me, okay. So we can work together one-on-one, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this in a more in-depth way and giving you more strategies in terms of growing your YouTube channel, and as well as finding products and promoting them on the internet. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, as well as drop me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.